Alright guys, I told you I'd show you Koreatown here at night, and so I think it's pretty cool with all the lights that are all lit up down through here. So yeah, we're down here at Koreatown tonight, and I'm going to show you down through here. I'm going to do the same walk I did the other day and show you guys around Koreatown. Tonight I have brought Lut, my personal bodyguard. She's along with me. But anyways, this road here is Don Juco, something like that. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I know I pronounced it wrong the other day. But this is Don Juco. And then the road that runs down through Koreatown is called Filipin Friendship Highway. So that is where we're heading. We're heading down Filipin Friendship Highway. And we are starting right here at the Happy Massage. Money Talk. Yeah, we're starting at the Happy Massage. Chicken and beer. Good combination. All right, guys, let's head down the road. This is the jeepney terminal. The red jeepney takes you down Filipin Friendship Highway and takes you down, basically probably what, down to Angeles City. Takes you right down to Angeles City. So that's their terminal there, the red jeepney. Evening. Yeah, I just think it's neat through here, all these lights and how everything's lit up. Completely different at night than during the day. And like I said, a lot of these are open only in the evening. So yeah, look at that. Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. Evening.
Good evening, sir. Hello.
Still not going to try to pronounce any of these. Doesn't change day or night. I still can't pronounce some of this. Some of these restaurants and places. KTV, what's that, videoke? Yeah. Videoke places. KTV, another videoke place. Evening. Huh? Yeah, fitness club. Shabu Shabu. Why would they name a restaurant Shabu Shabu? What's that mean? Well, we know what shabu is here in the Philippines.
Shabu Shabu, that's in a Korean food.
That's Korean food. Oh, alright.
I know it's a Korean food.
Here, look. Mr. Park's bread and cake. I can pronounce that. Side streets all lit up. Got your food carts out, fish balls, chicken feet, hot dogs. Hello. KTV. Another restaurant, pharmacy. Huh? Kimchi. Oh yeah, kimchi. Hannah Grace's favorite. This must be a popular spot because the cars are parked in here and not much parking room, but they're parking them in here. This has to be a hot spot.
What?
Jun's restaurant.
Yeah.
All right. Jun's restaurant.
Like my brother.
Yeah. A lot of people park down here too. Must be the hot spots. That place is packed. Premium meat grill. You can always tell if a place is good if their parking lot's full. An old Volkswagen Beetle. All you can eat. Oh, got to get away. Keep talking. Got some, what do they call that? Copyright music. So we got to kind of get away from here real quick. Or still hit me up with some copyright music infringement. Evening.
We have
What?
IMAR.
IMAR. Yeah.
Down there.
All right, guys, we're gonna cross the street here. Nothing really on the right-hand side here. We're gonna cross the street right here, and there is no walkway, so we'll make our own. Now this place here is pretty full. I don't know what it's called, but you can see it's pretty full. A lot of people eating here. Kimbab house. They actually have sidewalks here. Though that open grate, you can smell the stinky water coming out of there. Shuka. Shaku, shaku. Is that how you say that? Look. Saku, saku.
Yeah.
All right. Oh. Car wants to come in. Jinju massage. Jinju massage. Jinju. Oh, I didn't bring no coins. Sing sing. All right, sing sing.
Sing, yeah.
Sing sing. Hi, Mark.
Sing, like,
Oh,
sing.
well, that's a grocery store, isn't it?
Sing.
I think that's a grocery store in there.
Yeah.
Sing Sing Hi Mart. There it is. It's a market.
Sing.
Nice night too. Nice little breeze. Very comfortable. Very comfortable day today. Not too hot. At a bakery, Magic Stone Massage. Hotel Vana. Hotel Vana. Ken massage. Ken massage. Somebody asked if there's a difference between a Korean massage and a regular massage. I don't know. I have no clue.
Way.
Same? Beer Carnival. That place is closed. Out of business. All right. Oh, maybe it's not out of business. Maybe it's in under construction.
Tomorrow open.
Tomorrow open. All right.
So tomorrow it's open.
Tomorrow. Oh, okay.
There's colors of paper over there.
Yeah.
I need to go.
Another Mart, Kim's Mart. Hello. Happy New Year. Massage and spa. got a massage and spa. Massage, spas, restaurants, and mini marts seem to be the theme through here. Alright guys, that about wraps up the walk. On the other side of the road, my buddy Jollibee here. But yeah, I think it's kind of neat to see, you know, what it looks like at night compared to what it looks like during the day. Had my bodyguard with me and nothing happened, so that's a good thing. But anyways guys, if you haven't taken the time to subscribe, make sure you subscribe, like, share, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave the comments below, and from me and Jollibee, we'll see you on the next one.